Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this channel. It's your boy Sammy. In today's video, I'm quickly going to be showing you how you can be able to identify a trend. Now, in this currency pair using old USD, okay, is a particular trade currency pair that I've actually been trading for some time. So we're going to be doing the back test first of all to understand the market trend. Okay, so you can actually back test from anywhere of your choice, anywhere of your choice. So let's start using the 4 hours. I'll just do a run a quick back text here. Okay, just stick with me in this video. Okay, so like I said, we can back test from anywhere. So let's start doing our back test from here. Okay, let's start doing it from here. Okay, so we have this as our break of structure here, as a change of character. So this is the last low, so let's keep going forward. So the price actually did not actually break below. This was just a liquidity sweep. And what do we have here? We have another break of structure here. Price pull back down here. Now this is where my interest is. Okay, this is where my interest is. Why is it here? Let's zoom closely. Now, like I said before, whenever the institution actually breaks structure, if they're going to be coming back to that zone, they leave a fair value. They leave yeah, this kind of like a fair value gap. Okay, leave a fair value gap and inefficiency. Let's just use inefficiency for an example here. I will show you a secret now. Okay, let's use inefficiency for example. When price breaks up, they actually leave an inefficiency. Now what does this mean? You will notice that these bullish candles are here and it shows that the momentum are strong, but the bearish candle actually did not come back down to this zone. Okay, there was no pullback here, okay, before going up, which indicates that price is going to be coming back to what fill the gap. Okay, now that is one of it. There's another sensitive thing that I use in spotting out this, is that whenever the price actually does something like this, whenever it does something like this, it's going to be coming back down to give an indication that they're going to be coming back again before going up. Okay, what this means is that this is a double bottom. A lot of guys are going to be getting in here to buy, okay, to buy up. This shows a break of structure, so price is going to be sweeping out these guys and taking us what, down to this last order block here. Okay, this was the last one that led to a break of structure here. This was the last one that led to a break of structure here. So this was the last order block. Price is going to be coming back here to what, mitigate their position before going to the upside. Let's see what happens in the future. There's a mitigation. Okay, now was there a break of structure? Let's see that. Okay, there was a break of structure, so price came back here and it led to a break of structure here. Let me zoom this thing back. Okay, it led to a break of structure. So what we are seeing here is that the market actually broke structure here. If you use the line chart, you will see that there was a break of structure clearly. Let's use the line chart. Okay, so we have this as a break of structure. So BOS, break of structure. So price is going to be coming back there. Let's see if there's a fair value gap here. The price needs to actually what, come and fill before going up. And stick with me, okay, to the end. I'm going to be showing you something on how you can be able to identify a trend. Now all I'm showing you is the confirmation that this trend is bullish. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be getting into a trend whenever the market retraces back to a particular zone and gets the confirmation that this market wants to what, reverse off of it. So we have our inefficiency here. So price will be coming back here because this was the last order block. Let's zoom closely. What did we see price do? So we have that price came and what, mitigated our what, position. Now there's another area of my interest. Let's go to 1 hour. This is my interest. Now I'll tell you what happened. I was in this trade. I was buying here. I was buying here. Legally, it is not wrong for me to be buying, because if you go down to the lower time frame, I was buying here. Okay, let me zoom this. I was buying here. If you go down to the 1 15 minutes time frame, it's actually legal for me to be buying there. Okay, so let me zoom far so that you see what I'm saying. What do we have here? Let me show you the analysis that I did. I had a break of structure here. I had a break of structure here. So another break of structure here. Okay, so this was the last order block. So price actually came back down here. Price actually came back then. If you have been watching this video, my YouTube channel, for a while, you will notice that I trade one particular pattern of trading. Okay, I left it in a trend trading strategy. I'm a trend trader. Okay, I trade with the trend. Okay, I trade with the trend. So I entered here because order block was what valid. But now when I zoom back to the 1 hour, I noticed something different. I had to get out, guys. I had to get out when I noticed this. Now you have to understand something, that you are not going to be perfect in the market. You're still going to be a learner every time. So when you see some things that are not clear, you can actually get out of the trade. Now it seems as if everything is clear here, but if you go back down 15 minutes, you will see that this actually looks like a double bottom. Where is it? Let me show you. This is a double bottom. Now this shows that price is going to be coming back down to sweep out this liquidity. Now where will it be? Their interest is going to be this order block. Where my what? I'm not showing you guys what I'm not doing. Okay, this is what I'm doing in my chart. This is the break of structure. Remember what I said? This was the break of structure. This was the break of structure. Sorry, this was the break of structure. Now before I continue, please, if you're actually getting value from this video, I would like you to subscribe, like, and also hit the comment section below. Okay, so I'll be the first to know whenever we drop content like this. Okay, now this was, remember I told you I trend trading strategy. The trend is actually going up. Let me draw a trend line so we get a clarity on it. Let's see if we can draw it in the 1 hour. 1 hour is not clear. 15 minutes. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Sorry, let's get this one out. Okay, I think we can do with this. Good. I think this is well defined enough. So we have this, our trend here. Sorry. Okay, it's fair enough. Okay, this is better. So we have this, our trend here. Market has actually been respecting the zones. Now don't forget what I said. This was the break of structure. This was the break of structure here. Sorry. Now for me, I like to identify the particular order block that led to a break of structure. If you check very well, you notice that none of these ones was giving us something significant. The only thing that led to it was this one here. So this was the one that led to the pull up. Don't forget, this was the break of structure here. This one here, before this one actually broke again to the upside. Now we're going to be compressed. It's going to be coming back here. It's going to be coming back here. Okay, guys, there's something I wanted to show you that I promised I was going to be showing you. That is to identify when a trend wants to change. Now this is it here. If you look vividly well, you will notice that this was the last order block. This was the last order block. This one here was the last order block. Now what did we see happen? There was a change of character here. Okay, and zoom this far. Okay, let's go to line chart. There was a change of, guys, the reason I use line chart is because if the candles are merged and it's actually kind of confusing, I prefer to use line chart to see everything clearly. So there was a change of character here and price came back down. This was the last order block. If you check very well, it actually happens with this. So we see this as the head, left side of the shoulder and the high side of the shoulder. Okay, so this is a change of character. This shows that market wants to return back to its original state, which is what, bullish. Now we have seen this with confirmation that we have actually been seeing price going up. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is spotting out the zone, guys. You can actually take out this trade. Okay, you can actually take out this trade. All you have to do is map out this region. I think it's 0.66790. This is trading with Sami entry price. Okay, just risk whatever you are willing to take on your trade. You can actually take this trade. Okay, you're looking forward to it happening this week, hopefully today Monday or tomorrow Tuesday. Okay, so that is how we identify when the trend wants to change. It gives us a change of character, pulls back down, and also what gives us what, liquidity. All of this is liquidity being formed here, so the market will definitely come back and take out these guys before continuing its move to the upside.